Hello, my name is Shamim Ahmed. I am a 7th semester BBA student at Daffodil International University. I am interested in business and entrepreneurship. I enjoy learning how business work and how ideas can become successful opportunities. My goal is to build a career in the business field and become an entrepreneur in the future. I complete my SSC from Ikra Vidya Niketan, Sherpur in 2020 and my SSC from Sherpur Goft College in 2022. Currently, my CGPA is 3.0. During my studies, I have learning subject like management, accounting, marketing, and economics. This course have helped me understand the basics of business and organizational activities. I also have basics computer skill and use Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. I regularly use these tools for assignment, reports, and presentations. I am hardworking, responsible, and quick learner. I enjoy working with others and learning new things. I always try to improve my skill and gain practical experience. My future goal is to start my own business and create opportunities for others. For now, I am focused on my learning, developing my skill, and preparing myself for the personal world, for the professional world. Thank you for watching my video resume.